We got token allocation that has been increased, Stargate Airdrop as well. So we go and talk everything and we jump onto the laptop right now. And the first thing that we want to talk about is the Chroma Network Airdrop. Now here we see that the tokenomics have changed and there is an increased initial airdrop amount. We are increasing the total community airdrop allocation up to 17%, and the initial airdrop amount will be 7% of the total supply. We like to see this. We like to see airdrops, ecosystem, protocols, networks that do increase the airdrop allocation for the community. Specific details about the initial airdrop criteria and allocation will be announced shortly. Also, we got the zero-star tokenomics. Chroma is transitioning to simpler, more effective tokenomics by minting 100% of the KRO tokens at the token generation event. Each fund will be mutually managed to serve its purpose optimistically. So definitely a big up for the Chroma situation. As we see here, the community likes it. People should learn from it. So definitely something good to hear. Next up, we got the Tycho airdrop update over here. If you go to your Ethereum chain, you can see the potentials and the token airdrop. I do receive for this one 50 token right now. So we will see how much, if they launch at $100 each, I'm very happy. If they launch at $1, is a $50 airdrop. Let me know your token allocation, and as well, what do you think the token price will be when the token launches? Will it be $1? Will it be $10? Will it be 50 cents? Let me know down in the comments below. But I will leave you the claim site, which is now once again live down in the comments below to go and check your eligibility. And we got here the update from Tycho saying that the claim.tycho is live right now. The phase 1 of our airdrop season offers a sustainable 5% of the initial TKO token supply for claiming. You can check your eligibility. While these are included categories of users, the activities are weighted and are associated with a score. If you reach a minimum score based on your activities and contribution, you will be eligible. Please bear in mind that have 7 days to check your eligibility. Once you've checked and claim window is open, you will have 1 month to claim your TKO. So in about 1 week, the airdrop will go live. Claiming TKO will be open to everyone soon. Please keep in mind that the TKO claiming is not live yet, so please do not click on any links that you see here. And it does look like people are pretty much turning to it, and because they did get a 0 token allocation. Now, I'm not 100% sure why they got a 0 token allocation. Some people got a 100 token allocation. I got a 50 token allocation, as you see over here. So I think everybody, we've done the same thing, but I don't know why somebody got less. Let me know in the comments below. We've all done the Galaxy quest, we've all done the testnet quest, we've all changed and swapped tokens, we all stake tokens. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Was the criteria for all of this? But it would be nice to understand them if they have also coming out with a release. Following up, we got a new airdrop over here, a free airdrop to go and claim very soon. Build, which is a project on Farcaster, is set to airdrop their Build token to participants of their current event, the Build game. Here's how you can participate on the Build token. So you simply need to sign up with your email. You then go and download the iOS or the Android app, and you will receive the link to your email that you sign up from the link down below. You can get your passport, and at the talent protocol, you visit the build.top website over here. So you can sign up here to the passport first. You go and insert your email. You sign up to the passport over here. You create a talent password, or you go and sign up. Next up, you bridge to the build.top website, and you are good to go and earn points. Very simple. But another protocol, if you do not want to download apps, if you do not want to download anything like that, another airdrop to simply sign up, which is kind of like the Grass airdrop 2.0, is Multisync. As you see here, you simply need to sign up. It is a referral project only, so thank you very much if you do wish to support me. And just like Grass, you go and earn points based on the activity that you do, and it is done and supported by very important people within the crypto community, this one. So I did go and try it, and for now it is absolutely free. There is no plugin to download for Google Chrome. There is nothing you need to do. You simply need to sign up, verify your email, and start collecting points, which you do collect points on a daily basis. So definitely go and do it, integrate with it, join up, and we will go and talk about it in the future when it comes out. Another important update from Debridge, which is coming along very soon, the airdrop. The LFG voting is going, and it is live right now. And what are we talking about? Well, over on the Jupiter website on Solana, we have the possibility to vote for the protocol. It is active the round 3 over here, and I did go and vote for Debridge. So definitely make sure to go and vote for Debridge to be launched. You only got 2 days left. Make sure to vote for Debridge to be eligible for the Solana or the LFG launchpad over here, which means that the token will be tradable on Solana over on the Jupiter exchange, which would be very, very great. So definitely a big thumbs up for it, and do remember to do it, as in my opinion, out of the 3, it is the best choice and the obvious choice for how much people used it, potentials up behind it, and everything that works with it. Following up, we got the Stargate announcement of potential airdrop over here on the 28th of May. So in 5 days, we have the possibility for the V2 of Stargate. Now, will this be an airdrop? Will this be token allocation or what? Well, the version 2 will come soon. And how can we place ourselves to go and be eligible for the airdrop in case the airdrop is here? Well, simply go over on Star. And by the way, they do not say anything. All of these links are fake. Please do not touch them. Please do not click on any of this fake link over here. But here we see the real comments from the community. Now, to go and participate for this airdrop, what is the best thing? Well, it probably will depend on the farming that you've done over on Stargate, how many tokens you utilize it, how many tokens you've staked. For example, we do have the ST token staked as well over here, locked until 2026. For a while, I have been locking up them. So I didn't use much. I do have a little bit of voting power just to put my feet into it. We do have pools. We have the linear one that we do go and farm the linear airdrop as well. We got some stable coins as well, which is the best thing to go and place yourself in case they haven't taken the snapshot yet. I cannot go and say they have done it or they haven't done it. In case they have not taken a snapshot yet, this is the best possibility to go and put your feet in the door. Do some pool, do some farming over here. Simply click on anything, any token you got, put it on the protocol, stake them, and you are good to go. Next up, we got the airdrop update over on Month, over on the Dimension protocol. The eligibility staked at least 15 DYM token on April 30th, 2024. So by that time, you need to have 15 DYM token. You can claim right now the airdrop over here as we see it. You watch 3 interactive videos on the Omniflix TV, watch and answer 3 questions per video, and pocket up to 3 MED token, which is really, really nice. So definitely a things to go and look up for if you are a DYM stakers. If you do utilize the protocol, if you have the Dimension token staked, then definitely go and check this out. But for that, guys, for this video, these were all the information that I wanted to provide you. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in this afternoon's video in a couple of hours so that you are always on the loop with all the best information out there. Thank you for watching and see you. Ciao, guys.